Buy junk cars in St. Louis. Purchasing junk cars in St. Louis can be a profitable venture, whether you're looking to salvage parts, recycle materials, or restore vehicles. To ensure a successful transaction, it's important to know where to find junk cars, understand the legal requirements, and assess the value of the vehicles. 1. Identify reliable sources. In St. Louis, several businesses specialize in selling junk cars. Establishing relationships with reputable sellers can provide a steady supply of vehicles. Some options include local junkyards, auto salvage yards, and businesses that buy and sell junk cars for cash. Private sellers and online marketplaces can also be good sources, but always verify legitimacy before making a purchase. 2. Understand legal requirements. Before purchasing a junk car, familiarize yourself with Missouri's regulations regarding vehicle titles and registrations. Ensure that the seller provides proper documentation to avoid legal complications. If a vehicle lacks a title, consult local authorities to understand the process for obtaining one legally. Some states allow alternative documents such as a bill of sale or a bonded title application. 3. Assess vehicle condition. Evaluate the condition of the junk car to determine its potential value. Consider factors such as extent of damage, assess both exterior and interior damage. Missing parts. Identify any components that are missing or need replacement. Engine and transmission. Status. Check if the major mechanical systems are intact or require repairs. Determine the purpose of purchase. Clarify your objective for buying the junk car. Parts. Salvage. If you're interested in specific parts, ensure the vehicle has the components in usable condition. Restoration. For restoration projects, consider the feasibility and cost of bringing the vehicle back to working condition. Scrap metal. If the goal is to recycle, calculate the potential return based on current scrap metal prices. 5. Negotiate the price. Use your assessment to negotiate a fair price with the seller. Be prepared to discuss the vehicle's condition, missing parts, and any necessary repairs to justify your offer. Many sellers expect negotiation, so do not hesitate to make a lower counteroffer. 6. Arrange transportation. Plan how to transport the junk car after purchase. Some sellers may offer free towing, while others might require you to arrange it yourself. If towing is necessary, calculate the additional costs and ensure the transportation method complies with local regulations. 7. Verify seller credibility. Research the seller's reputation by reading customer reviews or seeking recommendations. Working with reputable sellers reduces the risk of scams or misrepresented vehicles. If dealing with a private seller, ask for proof of ownership and verify the vehicle's history to ensure it is not stolen or subject to liens. 8. Complete necessary paperwork. Ensure all legal documents are properly completed and transferred. This includes bills of sale, title transfers, and any other required documentation to establish ownership. If the vehicle does not have a title, make sure you understand the process for obtaining one legally. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the process of buying junk cars in St. Louis, turning potential challenges into profitable opportunities. Always verify the legitimacy of the purchase, adhere to legal requirements, and ensure a fair transaction to maximize your investment.